late again. 9 a.m. Went to bed around 1. I have issues, but my package came. This feels like cold stuff. Gave. Yay. Vegan mayo. Oh yay, sausages. This is pretty much just hay, so that's good. I'll have to pull off the plastic and put it with the other plastic and this, and everything goes in separate trash cans. Alright, this is kind of funny. So this is the American, the really boring bread. Out of all of the cool fresh breads they have, this is the one I pick up. Anyways, look, they don't have heels. That's pretty awesome. This is a sausage. Looks crazy that I've been eating it. It's actually really good. The casing tastes a lot like real sausage. So I'm over here working and look who's back! Yesterday there was like 2 out there. It was crazy. They're so fat here. Probably eating all the fruit out of the compost. I betcha. So I took out some cash. Oh my god. This is just the change portion. I'm trying to figure out what's going on here. So we have 2 cents, 2 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, 50 cents. And these are just some more over here. $0.50. Whoa. This is like a $2 coin. Oh my god. Okay. 10 cents it looks like. Another 10 cents. And €1. Wow. That is €3 right over there. Interesting. Look how colorful this is. I mean, it's kind of pretty. So I was sitting here and Julie texted me asking if I wanted to come with her to aerobics. Am I in shape for aerobics? Can I keep up with aerobics? 9. Am I going to try? Yes. I borrowed a pair of her shoes. She was like an 8. Oh, okay, well first off, I had to convert it. She told me that the aerobics instructor is kind of crazy. I don't know what to think about that. Pray for me. I have the feeling this German aerobics instructor is gonna give me a run for my money. I am not in shape.